Hey guys, Sam here with Traffic Mania, and today I'm going to introduce to you Web 2.0 Bot. It's an automation software that creates backlinks on Web 2.0 properties. Software is great. It automates pretty much a lot of different things, specifically account creations with Web 2.0 properties. It submits your content to these Web 2.0 properties that it creates for you. It allows you to spin your content so that on all the different Web 2.0 properties, you can have unique content on all those properties. Some of the other features are, as I mentioned before, account creation, supports keywords, supports title and description rotation, so you can rotate your titles and your descriptions so that they're different on each of the Web 2.0 properties. And there's a lot of other features here that you can check on the website to look at. So what I'm going to do is take you through a brief demonstration of how Web 2.0 Bot works. Pretty much once you purchase the software, you click on company profiles to create a profile, and you could create many different profiles. So if you're working with a lot of different websites, you can create those different profiles for those websites. Once you've done that, then you want to go to account profiles, and here's where you'll set up your accounts with all the Web 2.0 properties. Currently there's 21 services. As you can see, you have the major ones like Squidoo, Hub Pages, Blogger, WordPress, Tumblr, LiveJournal, and so on and so forth. So what we want to do is we want to create a new profile, and we're going to call this Jump Higher. Well, we'll just say website one account. So that way you can kind of know which websites you're creating. So I have my company profile here, and the account name I'm calling it website account number one. Here we're going to select all of, well, actually just may take a little time for this video for it to go through all of that. So what we'll do is we'll select all, and we're going to click save. And next thing now is we're going to have WebBot sign up with all of these Web 2.0 sites. So we're going to click automatic sign up, and it's going to ask, what do you want to name the title of your blog that you want to sign up with? So I'm just going to call it Jump Higher in Basketball. And the blog name, it creates the blog name for you. I'm sure that's the part of the URL of the blog that it's going to register with. And then we're going to click on start, and as you can see, WebBot is now starting to register with all of the Web 2.0 sites. Now some of them have CAPTCHA, so you just have to enter the CAPTCHA. I think maybe 2 Web 2.0 properties have CAPTCHA, so you have to do that manually. And I'm going to pause this video as it goes through all of them, and we're going to come back and complete the rest of the demo. So after Web 2.0 Bot creates the accounts for you, then you need to go back into your account or your email account that you use to set up in the company profile, and just confirm a lot of the accounts that were created. You know, sometimes when you create an account, you get an email saying to click on a link to confirm that you've created the account, and it's just to verify the email address. So you want to make sure you do that. And Web 2.0 Bot tells you which accounts that were created went through, that were completed, and the ones that you may need to go back and sign up manually, in case there's any issues. So once you have your accounts, you'll see that you'll have the username of most of your accounts, and you can get your login details over here on the right. And once you have all that set up, then you want to go to My Web Content. And here's where you add the content that you want to submit to your Web 2.0 sites. So to do that, you click on Add New, and you'll put in a title of the content that you want to put in, and here you put in the content or article that you want to put in. Now you can place links in your article content. You just have to use HTML tags to do it. And then down here you put your keywords that you want to put for this content once it's submitted to the Web 2.0 sites. So I'm just going to show you what one of the content pieces that I wrote here, just to show you what it looks like. So here I have a title, and then I have my content here, and then here are my keywords. So you click on save, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on that, and then we're going to submit this content. So I'm going to click the submit button, and these are the Web 2.0 sites that Web 2.0 bot is going to submit my content to. You just want to make sure you have the correct profile, because you can set up multiple profiles, and it's going to post welcome to Jump Higher in Basketball, which is the content piece, and the company profile, and the email address. So I'm going to click on start, and Web 2.0 bot is now submitting my content to the Web 2.0 sites that I registered with, or that it helped me to register with. So after Web 2.0 bot is completed, then you just check the submission process, and as you can see, the first two were completed successfully, and we have a couple of errors here on the last four Web 2.0 sites. Now, some error messages will come up, and sometimes it's related to the Web 2.0 site itself. It has nothing to do with the software. Things change. Sometimes the Web 2.0 site may have changed their requirements. Maybe it could be the content that you're submitting. In this case, I think it's because I didn't go back into my email and verify the account. So always make sure that the account is verified after you created the account, and make sure that there are no issues with your account, so that you can have completed and successful submissions. Now once you've gotten your reports and you've checked to make sure everything is it's all good with your submissions, then you can get a submission report. So what you want to do is you want to click on the web content here, click the check mark, and click on submission report, and click on open report, and you will get a report by Web 2.0 bot of successful and failed submissions. And here's what the submission report looks like. So you just double click on it, and we wait for it to open it up, and it says reports being generated, and pretty much here's your report. So it just tells you it's submitted, but with errors. And of course, we saw those errors. And here it just tells you review submission report. So you want to go back to these Web 2.0 sites to make sure your account's okay, that they're in good standing, and that you've verified through your email, and then resubmit again. So one thing, just to remind you that nothing's always guaranteed. You always have to check with the Web 2.0 sites, because they always make changes. But as they make changes, we also make changes to Web 2.0 bot, and those changes and fixes are updated. As we get updated with the changes on those Web 2.0 sites, and of course you'll get any new updates for free. So you're covered on that end. So that's pretty much it on how to use the Web 2.0 bot demonstration. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and see you soon.